After I found this out, I never want to eat bread in another way. Let's start by cutting the bread into slices. Once that's done, just reserve the bread on the side. In a container, add 3 eggs and beat very well. Add 100 grams of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of wet flour, 150 grams of mozzarella, a little bit of salt, and green smell to taste. And now, with a spatula, mix everything. It's good. Now just take the slice of bread and dip it into this mixture. Once this is done with all the slices, with the help of a fork, let's take and pass this slice to a pan with hot oil. Once it starts to brown on one side, just turn it to brown on the other side too. Now that it's fried on both sides, just take it and put in a paper towel and let this oil drain very well. Guys, look how delicious it is. There is no way to resist. This is a super quick and easy recipe for you to eat a super tasty and different bread. I hope you enjoyed and do it at your house, which I'm sure that everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.